Okay, so today we are going to break up the word remember into its syllables. So remember is a multisyllabic word, so how can we find the different syllables? Well, the rule in dividing syllables is they divide at the vowels. So let's find our vowels. We know our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, U, and sometimes Y. And W too, apparently, but whatever, that doesn't matter. There's not a W in the word. So, what vowels can we find and remember? Well, I see one E, another E, and our last E. So how many vowels are in remember? Well, if we count them, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 vowels in remember, which means that we must have 3 syllables in the word remember. And as I said previously, the syllables are divided after the vowel. So our first syllable is re. Our second syllable is mem. And our last syllable is bur. And you could do the clapping method to confirm this. So remember has 3 syllables. Now that we know how many syllables we have and what the syllables are, since we know the division rule, we can figure out what kind of syllables each one is. So there are many different syllables. There's open, there's closed, there's final consonant E, there's vowel pairs, there's vowel controlled R syllables, so on and so forth. So let's go through each syllable and figure out which one each is. So the first syllable is re. R-E. That's the syllable. There's a consonant before and then a vowel. It ends on the vowel. And there's nothing closing it. So that final sound in re is E, meaning this is an open syllable because it ends in our long vowel sound. Our second syllable is mem. We can see that there's a consonant, our vowel, and a consonant. Our vowel is squished between our 2 consonants, which means that our syllable is closed. Since our vowel, that makes that syllable, is closed between the consonants. Our final syllable is bur. Now, looking at it initially, if we go off of the same logic we used for mem, you might think that it is a closed syllable. However, because the syllable ends in an R and makes our E say it is actually a vowel-controlled R syllable. Okay. So, to recap, the word remember has 3 syllables. You divide syllables based on vowels in the word. We have 3 vowels. So we split it up into 3 syllables. Remember. 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 If we look at our syllables, we know that re is open because it ends in a vowel and it says its long vowel sound. We know that mem is closed because our E is squished between 2 consonants and it says its short vowel sound, eh. And we know that bur is a vowel-controlled R syllable because even though it's squished between 2 consonants, it ends in ER, which makes the E turn into